Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Garmin Edge 830 smartwatch and you need to do a hard reset. If you're having issues where it's not pairing with your phone, or it keeps disconnecting, or it's bugging for one reason or another, or maybe you just want to reset everything and start anew, we can do that pretty easily on here, and it will be like it was a brand new watch. All we need to do is come in here and we're going to press this menu button here, the settings button down here, the hamburger, and it's going to open up this menu from which we're going to scroll down. We're just going to scroll all the way down using the arrow. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this menu, and we're going to select System. And then from that System menu, you'll see that there is a Device Reset option. We're going to hit Device Reset. And then once we hit Device Reset, it's going to open this, and we can say Delete Data and Reset Settings. And if you do that, then it will open up a page to confirm. You'll confirm it, and it will take a few minutes to go through its reset process. And while you're waiting, if you're in the market for a credit card, Chase is currently giving away $200 for free just for signing up for a credit card. I'll put a link in the description. But anyways, wait for it to do its reset. Then the watch will turn back on, and you'll see it will turn back on with the screen, with the setup screen like it did when it came out of the box.